Good morning, guys. I couldn't make it in today, so I had to record the in-class lab. So we're doing in-class lab 7.1.3.8 in Packet Tracer, and I uploaded those to your Cisco.Neticat. So go ahead and go in there and print off the paper so you can answer your questions, and then open up your PKA file. If you don't have those, you need to get them in order for you to get them open and filled out in order for you to get your points. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. We're investigate unicast, broadcast, and multicast traffic. So right now we're going to generate some unicast traffic. So let's click on PC1, desktop, and command prompt. Then we're going to go ahead and ping 10.0.3.2. Enter, we should get a reply. Now it says click on go into simulation mode. Click on edit filters. ICMP and EIGRP should be the only two that are selected. As a request here in B. Now it says click PC1, enter the ping again. So now that we're in simulation 1, it wants us to ping again. So let's ping 10.0.3.2. And you should see this little envelope pop up here. Okay. The PDU at PC1 is an ICMP echo request intended for the serial interface on router 3. Click Capture Forward repeatedly and watch while the echo request is sent to router 3 and the echo reply is sent back to PC1. Stop when the first echo reply reaches PC1. And then we'll have to answer our first question here. Which devices does the packet travel through with the unicast transmission? Well, we're about to see, so pay attention. So let's go ahead and close this event list. So let's capture forward until it hits router 3. So went to the switch, went to the router, then router 3, and back. So that's the path it took. Those are all the devices that it went through. In the simulation panel event list section, the last column contains a colored box that provides access to detailed information about an event. Click the colored box in the last column for the first event. The PDU information window opens. What layer does what layer does the transmission start at and why? So it should be layer 3. Starts at layer 3 because it is dealing specifically with IP and ICMP. Layer 3, comma, because it is dealing specifically with IP and ICMP. Examine the layer 3 information for all the events. Okay. So the source IP is 10.0.1.2. Okay. Now do you see how it swapped it out here? This one was up here and now it's down here, and this one was down here and now it's up here. Okay, so your answer for C is the source and destination IP addresses are flipped and the ICMP message type is now 0. 0. Now it says click reset simulation. So we're going to go here and click on reset simulation. Now we want to add a complex PDU. That's this here. If you hover over it, it'll say exactly what it is. So we're going to add one of these to PC1. Then we're going to go ahead and put this broadcast destination IP broadcast address in there. Let's go ahead. Okay, sequence number 1. Chop time 0. Alright, I think we have that. So we have all that information in there that it asked us to put right here. With the PDU settings, the default for select applications is ping. So that's here. What are at least 3 other applications available for use? So all we would do is go over here and click on this drop down box. And you can just pick 3 of these and write it in there for your answer. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and create that PDU. Then you should see it pop up over here on PC1. Click capture forward twice. Let me go back to D here. Click create PDU. This test broadcast packet now appears in the simulation panel events. Okay, we got that. It's over here. Simulation panel event list. It also appears in the PDU list window. It is the first PDU for scenario 0. Okay. Click capture forward twice. Okay. Let's close this here. Alright. This packet is sent to the switch and then broadcasted to PC2 and PC3. PC2, PC3, and router 1. Okay. See all those packets here. Examine the layer 3 information for all the events. Notice that the IP address is, so examine the IP address is 255.255.255, which is what you configured when we created the complex PDU. That's what we configured it with. Okay. Analyzing the OSI model information, what changes occur in layer 3 information of the outlayers column at router 1? Okay. Layer 3 information in the outlayers. Okay. So take note of that. 10.0.1.1. 10.0.1.2, CMP message type 0. Okay. What changes occur in the layer 3 information of the outlayers column in router 1, PC2 and PC3? So column 1. So your answer for that one is the PDU becomes a unicast replying back to PC1. Okay. Maybe added the complex PDU.